Martin Rowe, Senior Technical Editor, EE World, and this is the Uni-Trend or Unit T UTG962E Function Arbitrary Waveform Generator. And as you can see, it's quite small. Look at that. It's pretty much palm size. Look at that. But it packs quite a few features in here. You get all of the usual signals that you'd expect: sine, wave, triangle, ramp up, ramp down, and so on. It also has an arbitrary function with 24 built-in waveforms. Let me give you a little tour. You've got numeric inputs over here for selecting things like amplitude, frequency, and so on. There's a wave button. The wave button is for selecting what kind of wave you want: sine, square, triangle, ramp, and so on. There's a mode button up here, which allows you to select and enter the specific parameters of your waveform, for example, voltage and frequency. There's a utility button, which allows you to select other parameters. You've got a knob here, which you can use to also get parameters, set the numbers that you want. You can use the knob to scroll up and down, and the numbers will change, and we'll show you that. And there's a channel 1 button over here, channel 2, and then there's also arrow buttons which you can use to go across if you're setting up a number and you need to go from the least or most significant digit, whatever digit you need. That will allow you to go to whatever digit that you need. This is the left side, and it's got a power switch. It's got a USB Type B connector for data, and then it's got a barrel connector input that goes to the power supply. So here's the power supply. Let's take a look at it. As you can see, it's got a USB on one end, and it's got a barrel connector on the other end. And one of the things I thought they should do differently, maybe in a later model or a different model, is to change this to a USB Type C. So this is the Uni-Trend UTG962E. I think it's a good unit certainly for home lab, and perhaps for a service bench or repair depot, someplace like that. I think it would be quite good. The low price and small size are certainly advantages. Read through the article below and you'll get more of the details. The software needs a little work. It comes with a virtual front panel. It also lets you control the unit through Skippy commands, which can be quite useful if you want to write your own app for controlling it from a PC. We did have some troubles downloading the waveform into the unit, so I think the software needs to be looked at again. But as a standalone unit or as a computer controlled unit, if you can use the built-in functions, it's quite useful. So read through the article below and tell us what you think. Leave a comment. Thank you for watching. For EE World, I'm Martin Rowe.